Nigeria is one nation that continues to experience rise in population growth, especially in her urban centers. These and the combination of an inefficient mortgage system, poverty, increasing construction costs, land acquisition and processing, high inflation, and declining household income have made access to decent and affordable housing difficult for many Nigerians. For some experts, the adoption of public-private partnership (PPP) in housing provision in Nigeria is the way to go, as this will help increase urban housing stock and address housing affordability and accessibility challenges. However, not so many are aware of the benefits therein. For Professor Charles Inyangete, Chief Executive Officer at Innovative Risks and Investment Solutions Limited, public-private partnership has helped in the ease of land allocation, while also pointing out the need for active follow-up in ensuring the land is affordable and well situated for use.
One area that PPP has been put into use is in land and sharing land between private developers and the public sector, which, let's say, government or state governments. That still needs to be strengthened, it needs to be improved, because it's not sufficient just to allocate land. You also have to follow through the whole processes relating to making it affordable. Give the land in a good location, be ready to give the approvals, in a rapid manner, because at the end of the day, you are part of that partnership. No point giving the land, and when it comes to gain approvals, it's taking months and months and even years. Simplify the processes for private developers who want to come in, so they understand what your processes are as a state. And also, you don't need to collect stamp duty at the levels that they are. And the private sector should be also more transparent in the way it deals with the public sector. So it works two ways.
Speaking on how public-private partnership can be effective, Engineer Nicholas Ogbedu, CEO Zefcan Groups, says profit-making shouldn't be the priority of PPP, but each party must ensure that they carry out due diligence in fulfilling their obligation.
Now, the PPP shouldn't be all about profits. Ability to what? Bring in different ideas. Interministerial meeting. The Minister of Works, do the road, do the lights. Don't promise what you cannot do. FCDA, provide the land, give approval, give a CFO for the land, so that a developer will do those bidding for 10 million or 6 million. Now, Minister of Rural Electrification Agency, give power infrastructure to those estates. Because these are civil servants or people who are contributing to NHF. I've served for 35 years. What is wrong in giving them road, light and water?
He urged government to engage private professionals who are willing and ensure policies are not just formulated, but implemented and sustained.
That is where we have a major challenge. Government is all about programs, but policy formulation, do you understand? When you formulate policy, being able to what? Implement. Implementation is not there. And continuity. Now, I take, for instance, the FISH program, the Federal Integrated Staff Housing Program for the Office of the Head of Service. It failed because they are not listening to the private individuals. They bring in their ideas. They don't want to pay attention to some of the challenges of the private construction, people who are really ready for the job. And when they want to assemble this, they don't look at the professionals. They just bring in people from all angles.